I have always been a student who starts preparing for an exam when there are hardly 2 or 3 days left for it. Even I don't start preparing for an exam until and unless it is the next day. So I just question myself that what is that stops me from preparing for an exam a week or a month before? And why can't I prepare an exam in the way I prepare for it the day before?
When I inquired about this question, the answer that I found to this consisted merely of one word, and that was importance. For many of us, a task only becomes a priority when we lose it or are on the verge of losing it.
Even in our careers, I have observed that people work not because they realize the importance of their work, but they realize the importance of money. And then their lives start revolving around money.
Your future depends on what you lay your importance on. And most importantly, when you lay your importance on. You can be 20 and you can realize the importance of money. Or you can be 20 and you can realize the importance of your work. And whatever you will lay your importance on, that will begin to grow in your life.
In fact, there is a common difference I have observed between a topper and a mediocre in exams. Toppers realize the importance of their exams much before a low scorer realizes it. So it all depends on you, what you want to lay importance on. For instance, if you lay importance on your work rather than money, your work will start improving and naturally money will start improving too. And if you lay importance only on money, your life will revolve around money and work will become a burden for you, and you will only work because of the money and you have no interest in improving your work. So if you lay importance on time, it will become your priority, and it is impossible that you will ever waste it after realizing its importance. Also, if you are eager to see some new changes in your life, relationship, career, or success, you can check out my new book, When I Observed Silence, from the link below in the description, which will help you in putting some best practices in your life daily and grow the best out of your life.